Compact look, premium feel, at may feature na hindi mo i-expect sa budget keyboard. Isipin mo, may TFT screen, aluminum knob, tri-mode connection, hot swappable switches, at RGB na parang festival lights. Lahat yan sa isang compact board na may numpad pa rin. Not your ordinary mechanical keyboard, diba? Kasi usually, makikita mo lang to sa mga high-end boards. This is the RAKK Sinag Pro. Worth it ba para sa desk mo? Let's find out. By looking at the box, syempre, black and yellow, since yan ang branding ng RAKK Gears PH. Sinag Pro branding to all sides ng box, special features sa harap, tapos full specification sa likod. So unbox muna tayo. Right out of the box, the board itself na secured, may foam sa dalawang gilid, nakabalot ng plastic at may kasamang clear plastic cover na magagamit mo din as dust cover. Pagkuha ko pa lang ng board, it does have some weight, solid at premium ng feels. Next is box ng accessories na may lamang extra switches, braided Type-C cable, 2-in-1 puller para sa keycaps at switches, and lastly, user manual. Walang kalat, kompleto na agad at unang hawak pa lang, solid na, hindi parang budget keyboard. So for the design and build, design-wise, the RAKK Sinag Pro goes for a 96 key layout, compact pero hindi mawawala ng numpad. So basically, good to consider for office and productivity. Yung case ay ABS plastic pero mabigat siya, weighing at 960 grams. So stable sa desk and doesn't feel cheap. Yung texture nito is matte black finish with a combination of yellow font sa keycaps na galing sa color branding ng RAKK. Sobrang classic ng design at premium ng looks. The plate is polycarbonate, stabilizers are plate mounted. Naka-preloop na rin ito for smoother key presses, for more refined sound and enhanced stability out of the box. Layers inside are PCB plate, PC plate, PE foam, plate foam, case foam, gasket mount, and ABS case. Pero ang highlight talaga dito, pinagsama na sa isang budget keyboard. First, yung aluminum knob na napaka-smooth at premium ng feel. Minimal wobble, every rotation has clicks. When pressing it, sobrang tactile. At ang 1.14-inch TFT screen na pwede mong i-flex yung custom logo mo at animated GIF na gusto mo. That gives extra angas sa looks ng keyboard mo. And for the specification, first is tri-mode connection. You can use it via wired, 2.4G wireless, and lastly, Bluetooth 5.2. Next is universal hot swap socket, 3-pin or 5-pin, pasok lahat. For the switches, it has RAKK Oro na signature switches ni RAKK na pwede mo mabili separately, rated up to 50 million clicks. And for the keycaps, cherry profile PBT keycaps, durable at hindi nagpe-fade. And lastly, massive 4,000 mAh battery para sa wireless gaming marathon. And for the features, sa features pa lang panalo na. TFT screen, dito makikita mo yung battery level, date and time, at yung mga settings like kung naka Windows or Mac ka ba, kung anong tri-mode connection gamit mo, at kung naka turn on ba yung scroll lock, caps lock, and num lock. Pwede ka din dito mag-adjust ng settings like light effect, color, brightness, speed, volume ng system, kung gagamitin mo ba to sa Mac or Windows, language ng settings, and lastly, you can upload your own animations, GIFs, or even just showing off your custom logo. Syempre, yung RGB lighting nito, sobrang vibrant lalo na sa low light dahil sa south-facing RGB nito na mas better para mas visible sa POV mo. It has 19 effects of RGB, so hindi ka mauubusan kung araw-araw ka nagpapalit ng effects. And next thing is the aluminum knob. Syempre, remappable for volume, brightness, or macros. And lastly, the gasket mount. Mas soft at cushion yung typing experience mo. Pero guys, ito yung bonus feature na sobrang saya. May music reactive mode ang RGB lighting. Ibig sabihin, habang tumutugtog yung music, sumasabay din yung ilaw ng keyboard sa beat. So kung mahilig ka mag-music while gaming or working, dagdag vibes talaga. Small detail pero it adds a lot of personality sa setup mo. For the performance, may full NKRO support din. Ibig sabihin kahit sabay-sabay mong pindutin yung keys, lahat magre-register. Perfect for gaming or speed typing. Chinek ko din pala yung polling rate nito and surprisingly, totoong 1250Hz. Swak na swak din para sa gaming. And the next thing, syempre ang pinaka-importante, ano ba ang tunog niya? First impression, sobrang ganda ng quality ng sounds nito. Pakinggan nyo na lang. And for the software, of course, lahat ng customization mo nandito sa RAKK software. Downloadable at rakk.ph. And once na nasa website ka na, just click downloads, drivers and software, and then scroll down under keyboard section to find the RAKK Sinag Pro and then click download. And once na download mo na, just install it. Don't worry, wala tong any malware. So safe na safe ka. So once na nasa software ka na, sa first page, dito ka magre-remap ng keys. Next page to set your macros. Dito naman to change lightning. Dito ka mag-upload ng GIF, logo, or animation mo for your TFT screen. Dito ka mag-adjust ng color ng lightning effects mo, real-time lightning, music rhythm, which is yung pinakita kong feature sa inyo kanina, at system settings to change key response time, sleep time, firmware update, reset keyboard, factory reset, and disable Windows keys, Alt F4, and Alt Tab. Beginner friendly naman siya at madaling gamitin. So my overall thoughts about this keyboard. Ano nga ba ang pros and cons? So for the pros, for a budget mechanical keyboard, maangas na looks, premium build, compact lalo na sa kagaya ko na gusto ng mas maliit na keyboard pero may numpad pa din for office and productivity. Swak na swak sa akin to. Tri-mode, volume knob, TFT screen at my software. Usually nasa premium keyboards tong mga features na to. Pero at a price point na mas accessible, sulit na sa presyo. Tapos solid na build dahil sa gasket mount feels, mukhang mamahalin talaga. Lastly, para sa mga keyboard enthusiast, pwedeng i-mod to. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa keyboard na to, sobrang nasatisfy talaga ako sa looks niya, sa switches, and sa typing sounds. Parang hindi talaga nasa budget category to. For the cons, ABS case, hindi kasing solid ng aluminum pero hindi naman masyadong big deal considering na nasa budget category to. Other than that, wala akong naranasan na issues for 6 months of usage. So another good job talaga, RAKK years. Kaya kung gusto mo ng compact mechanical keyboard na may personality, power at RGB flex, this might be your next daily driver. So ano pang inaantay mo? Click mo na yung yellow basket habang may stock pa. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong review, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and comment kung anong feature ang pinaka-impressive para sa inyo. Thanks for watching. Kita-kits ulit sa next tech review. Peace!